morning to all of you. Now today my topic is pure substances, which is of chapter Is Matter Around Us Pure, class 9 chemistry chapter. Okay. Now see, what is pure substance? Pure substance means a single substance which cannot be separated into other kinds of matter by any physical process. किसी भी फिजिकल प्रोसेस से वो फर्दर डिवाइड होके सिंपलर में नहीं जा सके, उसी को कहा जाता है प्योर सब्सटेंस. ओके. Now what are the types of pure substance? So elements and compounds are considered as pure substance. Now why it is considered as pure substance? तो अभी हम एलिमेंट के बारे में देखेंगे कि एलिमेंट को प्योर सब्सटेंस क्यों कहा जाता है. ओके. Now element is introduced by this French chemist Lavoisier, Lavoisier के द्वारा एलिमेंट दिया गया था. वो क्या बताए थे? एलिमेंट्स आर द सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म ऑफ प्योर सब्सटेंस which cannot be broken into anything simpler than it by any physical or chemical method. ठीक है. उसके बाद डाल्टन आए और वो क्या बताए? वो बताया कि कोई भी मैटर है उसका जो सबसे सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म है वो एटम होता है. एंड नाउ द डेफिनेशन इज मॉडिफाइड लाइक दिस. दिस वाज given by Dalton. The pure substance which is made up of one kind of atoms only. So pure substance contains one and only one type of atoms only is known as pure substance. So it was given by Dalton. Okay. So element is made up of, suppose this is one element. This is made up of atom and only one kind of atom is present. So this element is considered as a pure substance. Okay. Now see the types of elements. Types of elements. Elements can be classified in two different ways. Elements can be classified two different ways. Elements. Types of elements. Types of elements on the basis of physical state. The first is solid element. Second, liquid elements, and third one is gaseous elements. Now actually there are 118 elements. 118 elements होते हैं जिसमें 118 में 92 are natural elements and rest are man-made. Okay, 118 elements are there, 92 are natural and rest are man-made. Now solid elements, examples are, generally all elements are solid but not all. ठीक है. Copper, silver, gold, platinum and so on, etc. Many are solid. Okay. Liquid elements, mercury, formula symbol is Hg. Bromine, Br. These are liquid in nature. Gallium, cesium. यदि थोड़ा भी टेम्परेचर बढ़ा देते हैं, रूम टेम्परेचर से थोड़ा सा भी बढ़ता है, 302 K, 303 K, इस टेम्परेचर में ये दोनों भी लिक्विड फॉर्म में आ जाता है. ठीक ठीक है, वैसे नॉर्मल टेम्परेचर में मरकरी और ब्रोमीन हमेशा ही लिक्विड स्टेट में रहता है। नाउ थर्ड इज गैसियस एलिमेंट, हाइड्रोजन, नाइट्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन, फ्लोरीन, क्लोरीन, okay, and zero group elements, noble gases, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. These 11 elements are gaseous in nature. So these are the classification types of elements on the basis of their physical state. Some are solid, some are liquids, and 11 are in gaseous state. Say classification of elements on the basis of their characteristics, on the basis of their characteristics. Now some are metals, some are non-metals, and some are metalloids. Metalloids, also known as semi-metals. Okay. Now 92 are natural elements. Among them 70 are metals. 70 are metals. Actually these are in solid form. Metals कैसा रहता है? Solid form में रहता है. So see some metals characteristics. See some properties of metals. First, actually metals are solid. Metals are solid. Solid होता है. लेकिन you have seen that mercury Hg, mercury is liquid होता है, और गैलियम and cesium are also liquid यदि टेम्परेचर थोड़ा बढ़ा दे. गैलियम and cesium are also liquid. Second, metals are hard. Metals are generally hard, but you know that sodium, potassium and magnesium also. Magnesium को भी आप मोड़ के तोड़ सकते हैं, ठीक है. So these are soft. These are the exceptions. These are what? Exceptions. Sodium, potassium, magnesium are soft. Because these are hard, okay, it means that atoms are closely packed. Okay, so the structure, closely packed structure is known as crystal lattice. Known as crystal lattice structure. All are closely packed. Okay, and if it is very closely packed, so this melting and boiling point, melting point and boiling point is very high. Melting point and boiling point is very high. Next, this is also good conductor of heat and electricity. Why is it so? Because it contains electron, free electron, okay, which is the charge carrier. So if anything contains free electron, it means this is good conductor of electricity. So metals are good conductor of heat and electricity. Now see some more points. Sixth point is malleable in nature. Malleable means it can be beaten into very fine thin shades. Okay? Ductile in nature. This can be drawn into very thin wires, fine wires. Sonorous. When hit, कहीं strike करेगा, it will give one tinkling sound आया. So this is sonorous nature. Lustrous, चमकने वाला, shining surface. It contains shining surface. Surface बिल्कुल shining होता है, and this is also because of the electron. Electron का vibration होता है. That's why जब light इस पर पड़ता है, vibration होता है. So this is lustrous. So these are 9 points of metals. Okay. Now see, aluminium is the most abundant element. Aluminium is the most abundant element in the earth cluster. Aluminium के बाद फिर क्या आता है? आयरन आता है, कैल्शियम आता है, सोडियम, ये भी आपको अर्थ क्रस्ट में पाया जाता है. ठीक है, लेकिन सबसे ज्यादा क्या रहता है? एल्यूमिनियम. सो इट इज नोन एज मोस्ट एबंडेंट एलिमेंट. ओके, एलिमेंट जो है, मेटल्स जो है, आपको और भी कहीं कहीं पाया जाता है. जैसे मैग्नीशियम. मैग्नीशियम इज प्रेजेंट इन क्लोरोफिल. Magnesium is present in chlorophyll. Okay. Iron is the constituent of hemoglobin. Hemoglobin में पाया जाता है. ठीक है. Zinc पाया जाता है in traces in eyes of some animals. Traces in eyes of some animals. और सी वाटर में आपको पता ही है, सोडियम, पोटेशियम, कैल्शियम, मैग्नीशियम, दिस इज ऑल present in sea water. Okay. Now come to next point, non-metals. Non-metals are generally characteristics of non-metals, these properties. Okay, these are generally solid and are in gaseous form. Solid and gaseous form, but exception is what? Bromine is liquid. Okay. Second, dull appearance. It has dull appearance, but again exception में क्या है? Crystal of iodine. ये क्या है? ये चमकता है. Okay. Now third, this is bad conductor of heat and electricity, but again exception. Graphite are good conductor. Graphites are good conductor of electricity. Now non-metals are also soft. Generally these are soft, but we know that diamond is the hardest substance known. So again exception, diamond. Density is also very high, and this is not soft, this is the hardest substance. And next point is These are non-malleable, cannot be beaten into sheet. Non-ductile, cannot be drawn into wires. Non-sonorous, कुछ भी करेंगे वैसा आवाज नहीं होगा जैसा मेटल में होता था. एंड इन कंपैरिजन टू मेटल, मेटल से यदि कंपेयर करेंगे so it is low in comparison to metal, low melting point and wide. So this is all about metals and non-metals and their exceptions are also very important. Question जरूर आता है, प्रॉपर्टी से भी आता है, एक्सेप्शन से तो जरूरी आता है. So this is all about metals and non-metals. Now one more is metalloids. What is this? Metalloids, also known as semi-metals. नाम से ही आपको पता चल रहा होगा, सेमी मेटल्स मीन्स आधा कुछ मेटल का प्रॉपर्टी है. ठीक है. सो एलिमेंट्स हैविंग बोथ द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ मेटल्स एंड नॉन मेटल्स. यदि आप पीरियोडिक टेबल देखेंगे तो देखेंगे उसके लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में पीरियोडिक टेबल देखेंगे, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड कंटेन्स मेटल्स, राइट हैंड साइड कंटेन्स नॉन मेटल्स. एंड बॉर्डर लाइन कुछ ऐसा है जो मेटल और नॉन मेटल के बीच में है, बीच नहीं है, टुवर्ड्स राइट है, टुवर्ड्स थोड़ा नॉन मेटल की तरफ है. एंड दे आर नोन एज semi metals, metalloids, because they have both the properties of metals and non metals. And some examples are silicon, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. So they are having both the properties of metals and non-metals. Okay, these are known as semi-metals, metalloids, or you can say semi-metals, metalloids, or borderline elements. So this is all about pure substance and elements. Okay, compound is also pure substance, which you can see in my next class.